bigger, plumper lips without getting fillers? Well, then you're gonna love these 5 all-natural hacks we'll be discussing today. And the more you do of them and the more consistently, the better your results. Removing dead skin cells is really important when we're working to plump up our lips, both on the lip and around the lip area. And this is important because it will give that immediate kind of plumping effect. But more than that, it increases cell turnover and that will thicken the skin. It also increases collagen production, both which are really important when we're looking to plump up those lips. Now, as we're dealing with the lip area, I would always recommend that the scrubs that you have are quite natural as possible. And it's actually really easy to create your own lip scrub. All you'll need is a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of honey or coconut oil, and then you just mix this together and massage the mixture on your lips for about 30 seconds. And you want to be very gentle because the lip area is a little bit thinner. And you can also use a store-bought product. I really love Lush. It's a natural product and it has cherry in it. It tastes like cherry and it actually has a bit of a red tint. But this is also all natural and you can find loads of natural sort of lip scrubs if you don't want to make your own. But the key here is to be gentle and not overdo it. Hydration is actually super important when it comes to our lips appearing plump. And this is because when we're dehydrated internally, our lips actually appear a lot smaller. So make sure you're getting enough hydration. That's about 8 glasses of water a day. You can also have herbal teas. And make sure you're getting a lot of healthy fats as well. It's also important for the lip area. So avocados, nuts, and olive oil. On top of that, we want to make sure our lips are as hydrated as possible because the more hydrated they are, the plumper they will appear. So look out for ingredients that not only hydrate the lips, but locks in that moisture. Some great, more natural ingredients to look out for are coconut butter, shea butter, and also beeswax. On top of this, we want to make sure we're getting some active ingredients to really increase that collagen production, which will also plump up the lip area. Now, a great ingredient for this are peptides because they don't irritate the area and the area can be a little bit more sensitive. And here's for a pro tip. Put on some peptide serum in the evening before going to bed on your lips and lip area. Now cover that with some Vaseline. What that will do is it makes the product work twice as hard and it will also lock in that moisture so you can wake up with that perfect pout. But if you're looking for a lip product already containing these peptides, I can recommend Inkey Tree Peptide Lip Balm. And I've been using this for about a year. I can see a difference. When you put it on, your lips do look a little bit plumper. The company actually claims that after 4 weeks of continuous use, you'll see a 40% increase in your lip volume. Now, I don't know if this is entirely true, but I definitely like this product and I can see a difference when I use it. Strengthening the muscles around your lip area can really transform your lips, both in terms of fullness and definition. And I'm going to give you 3 powerful exercises that if you do consistently will really bring you results. Now, you'll want to do each of these exercises for a repetition of between 10 to 20. Exercise number 1 is the hand kiss. And here you'll kiss your hand quite firmly. And this will increase the circulation, which will give you an immediate plumping effect. On top of this, it will also increase that collagen production. Exercise number 2 is the lip lift. And here you will lift your lip upward towards your nose like this. And what this will do is it will shorten the philtrum, which is the skin between your nose and your lips, making your upper lip appear much fuller. Exercise number 3, this is the smile. And here you will purse your lips and smile. And what this will do is it lifts the corner of your lips, but it also has a lifting effect on the entire face. And it looks something like this. If you're looking for a professional treatment to plump up those lips, but you just don't want fillers, there is actually a treatment that you can consider. It's the Fotona LipLase, which is specifically targeted towards the lips. And what this does is it stimulates collagen production. So that will give you a plumping effect. Of course, it's not as intense. You won't see as much results as with fillers, but it will plump up the area because it stimulates that collagen production. Now, for this, you'll need a few treatments, and it takes about 4 to 6 months to really see the results of the collagen production. And then, of course, we have makeup that can really help our lips appear fuller. Now, here you want to use a lip liner that's a nude tone, slightly darker than your own lip color. And once you've used that, you put on some lipstick. And the secret here is to use another lipstick that is slightly lighter than the initial lipstick in the middle of your lips. And that will help them really pop out. And on top of this, you want to use some lip gloss. Now, you can always use a lip plumper as well. They can be really good. And my absolute favorite is Soap & Glory's Sexy Mother Pucker, and they will really help plump up those lips. And now I would recommend you next watch this video where we'll be discussing how you can both prevent and treat lines and wrinkles around your mouth area so that those lips can really pop out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to comment below if you've tried any of these hacks, and definitely if you have any of your own.